Hey everyone, so I'm slowly doing little jobs on the Pulsar behind me, and the next job I'm doing while I'm waiting for the bumper to come back from the paint shop is I want to kind of smarten up the wiper arms, replace the wiper blades and the scuttle panel, whatever you call it, that sits below the wiper arms on the car. So let us have a go at doing that, shall we? So this is what I'm on about here. To be honest, they're not in bad shape for a 32-year-old car, but the arms have got a little bit of kind of paint chipping on them, and this panel here has obviously got 32, almost 33 years of sun damage. So I've already marked up where the wiper blades need to sit. So we just need to get the wiper blades off, get the wiper arms off, and then get that scuttle panel removed, which is pretty straightforward, but I'll show you how to do it. Sorry for the mess. I've got this here, I've got spoiler paint black, which is just plastic paint essentially, that is specifically designed for scuttle panels. And the reason why it's specifically designed for it is because painting it with normal paint, because you've got flex involved in the plastic generally, and often you've got to flex the plastic to get the thing to actually sit in place at the bottom of the windscreen. Normal paint doesn't flex, it just cracks, whereas this stuff has got a bit of flexibility to it. So that's why there's a specific paint for the job. And the wiper arms themselves, they are just satin black basically, so they just need priming and then just need satin black. So let's get the wiper arms and blades off and then get onto the scuttle panel. Okay, so that is everything off. Wasn't that difficult at all. It's all just press clips holding on the scuttle panel, if that is the correct term for what I'm talking about. You can see 33 years almost of crap that I need to clean, but it's off at least. So there is our plate. I've given it a little wipe down, but I need to clean it more thoroughly. And over here are the wiper arms. I've already sanded them smooth, so they're ready to be painted. So I'll start by painting the wiper arms, because this scuttle panel, whatever it's called, needs more cleaning, and the car needs more cleaning, so it's going to be easiest to start on the wiper arms. So let's get them primed, and then obviously we need to wait, and then let's get them satin black coated.
The following day.
Okay, so it's a day later now, and the arms are primed and all cured. Okay, so we can get those painted satin black, which is there. And I've also cleaned properly with jet wash and some of the Purest degunking products, the scuttle plate, whatever it's called. So that can be plastic primed too. So let us get that done. Okay, so there you go. Arms are painted now and they're curing nicely, all looking good. And the scuttle panel is ready to be painted now. It's been sat for a day. This is the plastic primer from Biltmer, and it's such weird stuff because when you're painting it on, it runs immediately. It's like water, and as you can see, it looks like almost like rain that's had sand in it, and it's just kind of left runs and marks everywhere. But when you paint it, you can't see them. It's very, very weird stuff. And the first time I used it, I sanded down the part that I painted because I thought, oh fuck, it's going to ruin it, but it doesn't. So anyway, let's get this painted, and then we can let it cure after a sponge bob, come back, get everything installed and see how it all looks. Okay, several days passed now. I did have to sand a little bit the scuttle panel before I painted it because I was wrong, and the plastic primer, I think maybe I put it on too thick or the temperature was wrong or something, but this time when I used it, it had created a bit of kind of bump and texture, so I had to sand it a little bit to get it smooth. So ignore what I said earlier in the video with the primer. But we're done now. It's been probably about 3 days. I thought I'd give it plenty of time to sort of cure properly. So everything is now clean and tidy here. So all that remains to be done now is just to fit everything up, and then we can take a look and see how it all turned out. Okay, we are done. Hopefully you can see this okay. But wiper arms all looking nice and new wiper blades, and the scuttle panel looking pretty tidy. So that is it for this video. It's dead easy to do. I think the most complicated bit is getting the scuttle panel, if that's what it's called, I need to look that up still, getting that into place once you painted it without scratching it, which can be a bit awkward. Maybe, like on my Evo, if you take the bolts out of the bonnet, you can just move the bonnet down a little bit, and then that gives you room to work. But I decided not to do that, just to see if I could do it without removing the bonnet, which you can, but you just need to be patient. So yeah, thank you for watching.